This 2025 Forest River Sabre 37 FLH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, IN 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.